Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section. And if there's anything you want to see me do videos on, just let me know. But as always, let's jump right into it. So this is a script. I'll leave the link down below of this chart with the script in it. I call this trade by color. I did not write this script. I believe B3 wrote this. He's a big scripter, so I want to give him credit for it. It's a great script. And the reason I call it trade by colors, you could see the different colors, right? When it goes from gray to red, okay, all you want to do is get short. And essentially what you'll want to do is use this line. So once it goes from gray, red, you can actually start getting short. And these are all targets. You could use them as targets. Or you could actually trade them as a trend and kind of wait until they go gray again. Multiple different ways. I would definitely suggest kind of watching, understanding how this works. But I have it on the 1 minute, 2-day, 1 minute chart. You could see we kind of went from gray to red. And then once it kind of goes red, it stayed red the entire day. And this was a couple days ago when we had that really big down day. And you could rode this thing literally all day long. Okay, almost a couple hundred S&P points. So then as we came down, we turned gray, right? Once it goes from gray's kind of neutral, don't do anything. And then once it turns green, you could get long and you would use this white line, right, as your stop. If we broke below and maybe closed, that would be technically your stop, right? But think about this, right? Turn green, pulls back, right? Maybe you wait for the pullback. I mean, there's so many different ways, so you got to kind of figure out what game do you want to play with this. But you could see it turns gray again, neutral for about 2 bars, and then green, and then it's off to the races. You could see these are your targets. Target 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? So again, multiple different ways. I just want to share this script with you guys. Again, I call it trade with color, or trade by color. More of a trend trading strategy. If you want to change the time frame, you can maybe look at 5-day, 5 minute. Okay, and you could see how well this script works. Again, I want to give credit where credit's due to B3. You can find them over on Thinkscript. Use Thinkscript, I believe the website is. But really good trend trading. You could see kind of go from red. So if you went short here, boom, hit a couple targets, bounce. Once it turns green, hits a couple targets, comes back, right, gets choppy. But then it's one of those things where gray and then boom, okay, turns green. You would have been stopped out there, but again, you could maybe re-enter. It's all up to you. I'm just sharing this with you, so this is not trading advice, anything like that. Some people that I know use it. They really like it. So just kind of want to pass this along. You can do different time frames. Look at the 15-minute, right? 20-day. Again, goes red, right? And then we have the gap lower, okay? And I believe this is just the regular trading hours. So if we go to extended trading hours, okay, you could see different things too, right? Where it kind of stayed green the whole entire day and then had a little bit of red here. So I hope this helps. I will leave the link for the share of the chart down below in the link. Actually, let's do this. Let's do a 1 minute. and I will share this. So the 1 minute is I kind of like better, so I will leave that down below, and hopefully you guys enjoy this code. I'll talk to you soon.